I wonder where that boy did they know? Can just run up and down like river water. Not care you want him, you can't find him. When you saw river water run, I saw my grandson him run up and down, you know. I wonder when they come here calling to find out where him want to eat. And I can't hear him. So, me just buy anything, you know. Rotted. Look how the mango them up on the tree, man. And when me want mango, where they have to go, and me couldn't get none at all. And look how the mango them just a drop off. And I wipe up. And when me I go where they have Paris, I pay a green mango up on the tree, me couldn't get none. Oh no, watch me people, look for mango. Oh no, watch that. Watch mango, me people, watch that. Mango just there all over the place, watch that. And when me I go where got Paris, where they none no there, you know. None at all, no there. I see it there. Mango like crazy now. Look there. Boy, me I tell you. Grandson! Come in, man. Come in. Me buy something for you. Come in. So what you buy now? What me buy? How will you ask me, sir?
Grandma, me say what you buy.
Come look what me buy, man. Me can't bother the argument with you. Come look what me buy.
So, Grandma, why you get so ignorant a while ago that you get all stammer?
Because you ask me what me buy for you. You shouldn't ask me that, man, because you never give me the money for buy nothing. So if me carry something, come get it, take it, or you refuse it, one of the two. And if you refuse it, you know I won't buy anything else, girl, come get it again.
Alright, Grandma, come show me what you give me. Boy, I tell me, sometimes I can't bother with you, sometimes you're miserable worse than the sun that you're miserably, you know, man. How will you buy? Let me see what you buy there. Me a come, hold on there. I see you make me call me too, Grandma.
Yeah, man, that's what it does. Marcia never bless what you want to say, 15 members on God. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ladies. Martin and Nancy. Marcia never bless. Cause you want VIP. Such a VIP. VIP. I'm telling you.
People, Grandma bring big deal come give me. Grandma, thank you. But Grandma, this feel heavy, man. Let me put on the juicer. I not 3 pieces of chicken in this, Grandma. How that big deal is so heavy? Let me take it out, Grandma. That big deal is really heavy. Grandma, let me looking at this, man. This feel like more than 3 pieces of chicken because the chips in there couldn't make it so heavy. I can't looking at this, Grandma. Big deal. Big deal. Not meal deal. Big deal. Wow! 5 pieces of chicken. I'm see 1 coupon in there. 5 pieces of chicken. And big deal is to improve soon. You might have 6, 7 or 8 pieces of chicken soon. That's so big deal again. 5 pieces of chicken from 3 pieces to 5 pieces. And this coupon here tell me say, coming soon, you will have 6, 7 or 8 pieces of chicken in a big deal. I wonder if the price is going to be the same price. Grandma, I love you, Grandma. I love you, Grandma. What's up, Speak My Mind people? What's up? Happy Friday evening. You know, them call them evening and money evening. But on a money evening for everybody. Because not everybody get paid weekly. Yeah, some get paid fortnight. Some get paid month end. You understand? And yeah, some man, them never get paid. No care them a work you want them for hearing them get paid. And all when they hear hen, them still a beg you, them still want, them now nothing can give you with them beg right through the ear. You understand? But anyway, Speak My Mind people, just continue to do the do. You wanna know the do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. You understand? And hit the thumbs up as you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up. And remember to watch the ads. And don't forget the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented TV. Go in the description and you see the link. Link pin in the comment section. So you just hit the subscription and subscribe to the channel. You understand? Family oriented channel. Life is a Mission TV. Anyway, my people. Jesus peace, boy. When you walk road, watch out for people. When you walk cross road, watch out for vehicle. When you go see a swim, you have watch out for shark too. Be careful. Remember, just be careful. What me just say? When you walk road, watch out for people. When you walk cross road, watch out for vehicle. When you swim a sea, you watch out for shark too. Be careful. Hey, who know that assassin there? Bad artist. Bad song. People, you don't realize that Marcia fully in a gang of 5. Remember in the 80s when them say gang of 5 form alliance against Edward George Philip Siaga of the Labour Party. And them say, light a candle, sing a song key and find your way back home. Light a candle, sing a song key and find your way back home. And the last gang of 5 me here, I one way down at Elliston Road, down at the traffic headquarters. When them and they come a road for you, you know. Taxi man, bus man, run go hide all when them straight. Because them and they search everything. And the only 2 gang of 5 that me know, but this is the 3rd one in the social media. Marcia, Lorraine, Mishit Batcha, Bob, and the whole cranny mouth one with them call Angela 1000. So people, I have a video you go and dissect. I couldn't come across it because no phone might not come across it. I don't want to show you how these people stay. And these people, they're on a worldwide net where them show the type of person them is naturally as a human. Because sometimes I wonder if them not realize that them depend on a internet where it's a worldwide net where people can see the ins and outs of you, your behavior, your mentality. You understand? And see all the reaction, whether the good one, the bad one, the small one, the big one. When it just comes out in a phone and expose on yourself day in, day out. So people, let's get into Gang of 5 video. This is Marcia upon her live. And it's like at the same time she upon her live, call were made, it seems, to go on Lorraine live, Larry the Lizard. And you know where Larry the Lizard live consists of? Babisha, one big fish one from Canada. Where every day that same platform cuss man, oh man downgrade, degrade and do all kind of things to woman. And they on internet attack all kind of things about woman. But all of the man them with them attack about have them own platform. While Babisha with him married family where him have. Find so much time night and day when the man there work. The man have to tune in and insert himself in a life. You understand? And them no see say him a man. So me I wonder if him is a female. You understand? Angela 1000. So that's the Gang of 5. And them say 6, 7 and 8 to come because them a bill and gang, you know. So it can move from, yeah, but I'm talking about the 5 now. We are going to dep on this platform speaking. So stay tuned and listen to them. People, as you can see, me outside under the mango tree. I got a good thing, them little chop all in something where I shield the mango and the stain and the leaf them from the car. Kind of ease off some of the pressure of the breeze. It don't have no walk my ear if it just a cut in. So I have to walk on the ears and see if you can hear what go on. So stay tuned for this, you know. If that you call love, only the people that are in your circle and is with you preach love with. And that I love. You preach love all to your naysayers them. You preach love to your enemies. You preach love to people who you know even like you. And so you preach love. Make them commit themselves. But you preach love. Where you preach love when you pick up all the rejects from over yourself to form an alliance for yourself. That you call love. Well, my people, I don't know if you're not here well, you know. Amen. Here, this is the nasty one. We sit down and lap him fractate and a pants him wear.
Thank you.
You understand? Every life, there's not one life. If him not get called, him come on time know when the life are going to go on. And uno come and tell man, we have them own platform. This is Nasty Babisha. We claim to say him have a family in Canada. Woman, wife and picnic. Find so much time. They've never play no more at him. We just want to hear say them have a man in a them group. But yes, them come and cuss other man. We come out and talk the truth because what we are saying is not what them are saying. People have so much convenience space. We know for them all probate and I have in a life that I come from under the tree now and I find myself in the foul cub. Yeah. God not even in my foul cub, some of them not good to come. None of who depend on the gang of fire when not good to come, not even in my foul cub. So I'm in my foul cub now to try to take away some of the breeze, my people. So let's continue. Oh, no one cut off Nasty Bob. Miss it, brush it, miss it, brush it, on a listener. Your tongue shall just tie up and lap around your throat and choke you. And by the time you reach the doctor, there's nothing can be done. But you not come every day, you not come and you use God as mockery. You should have tie up yourself, but you try to speak in tongues. No, you make a mistake there. You people are the jankros. We are eagles. So we soar high. So that's the mistake what you make when you say we are jankro. Don't try to pin your name on us. You are the jankro. Yeah, you are the black jankro. The jankro, yeah. Fully black. When not even the head not have the red peacock something, so you know them full black there? Yeah, jankro. We are eagles. We soar high. You know? Janko can't come up in the altitude where we go as eagle. So you make a mistake there, sir. So come again. Donna Marigo. Donna Marigo. Donna Marigo cannot leave out of nothing at all when this woman is not involved. Or when this woman don't have a clue to what you talk about. Or when this woman... But just because you know you are such a hater that if you go a road and pick argument with somebody else and that person comes out at you say in where I call it now, because of Donna Marigo. When you pick argument and problem with other people and other people come out to defend themselves, then everybody come and say it's all about Donna Marigo. And when people now go so boom now and decide say them are going to troll or whatever you want to call it, in the long run you forgot say you did meld with the people them. You include the people them in trouble because of Donna Marigo. One woman name every day. So you not do nothing. Donna Marigo just get up and just come at you, throw shades at you for no reason at all because she insane. You understand? I want to have something in her life what she want. I want to prosperous in her life and she stagnant. So she grudge and jealous of her. It's the other way around. You understand? It's the other way around. And she make you no growth in her life. You understand? I know she may couldn't have no growth in her life. As same so no fun no hate from father God himself in her tune no can't do better, you know. Because no fun would like to do what others are doing. On no way to no turn. Some want to get to no opportunity on a throw it way Someone get an opportunity on a walk pan it, because you never realize, you know, no vision, so you never see some opportunity when you get. I want to step up on it and walk up on it and demolish it. And then come and blame others. We have the vision. You understand? And see for them opportunity and grasp it and take it with both hands. And this is what we do to this woman. And then we come and play a victim all alone. We come like a bunch of crab louse. When man take look newspaper and light. We come like when man that jail a light chink with newspaper.
Marcia, we don't need to have several sheets. We don't do bad mind on this thing when you so. We never Marcia Campbell. Donna Marie go with the inside the hotel room look like. We don't forget. We don't forget. We don't forget that Marcia make Donna know what good life look like.
All them simple things you want to come and talk about. Sometimes you have to laugh or funny, you know. And these are the things that I ask. If una people were really educated, as you say. Una are not educated, man. When me I go to school, them said dunce bat. Una are not dunce bat. Una pass dunce bat. Me don't even know if you classify una as. If I never Marcia Campbell, then Marie go who don't know or hotels. Oh, you mean she wouldn't know? Remember now, you know, I run Marcia Campbell running at somebody where she see out to explode, you know. I run Marcia Campbell running at somebody where she see out to just go and open up with wings and fly, you know. I see Marcia see that in and running, you know. They try make a name and staple her name down in a Dana book, you know. When she do that, you know. And afford that, Marcia Campbell could afford to do that, you know. Marcia Campbell was forced to do that as marketing. You understand? And the payback what she did look for, people did see to her say she don't look real. You understand? And then the exploder, she got explode at the birthday party where she keep when the people have asking for Dana, just finish her off right there, so. You understand? So it's not like Marcia Campbell do something she could have afford to do when Dana couldn't afford to do. And if Dana even couldn't afford to do it at the time, it wasn't anywhere far from happening, whether out of her pocket or thousands of other people's pocket. And on a sick, because it has been proven. There. Bodyguard and the people. There. There is so much things I can't understand with these people in a phone. They can come out and say, do, put up, post, and do whatever they want to do. Things that is evidently titled, you understand? Things that is evidently titled, throwing words or shades at someone else. Miss Princess comes out after the gala and she posts a cake and she said, big deal. BIGDEAL is not owned by Marcia Campbell. And it cannot be owned by Marcia Campbell. That's a word. You understand? Right. That's a phrase. Big deal. If so be the case, Christopher Martin, who does a song about it, would have copyright on it and Marcia couldn't use it. So, when the woman come out and she put up a cake and she said big deal, she had throw shades for Marcia and she had throw shades for Tina. If so be the case, educated people like Uno should even take up that and run with it. She just allow that unseen without any form of response. So, in the back of Princess' mind, she just said, Lord God, them not see it. But that would show some maturity of Uno. We're so educated that Uno can't see things and pass it. Yeah, Uno can't see things and pass it. But the woman put up that, I want to take it, I want to go at the woman. Because I just feel like say Princess a weak fence. And Princess now come out, come answer and deal with how she deal with how other people that deal with her. So I want to just take her for a weak fence and jump on her. There are so many people who are talking bad and worse about this case. And I know I not see someone to come out against them. You dirty nasty Tina Chin come up in my comment. You no wonder if you don't notice say no crow bait, reptile, reptobait, chink where burn, not just the live chink, the chink where you burn. Ticks and flea where you take off a dog and burst, not the one where you just take them off and throw them away. You never see me no comment yet. The first time I make a mistake and go so boom. And I stroll through Facebook and go on your live, you nearly have a heart attack when you see my name pop up on your live on Facebook. Dirty Tina Chin. Nasty Tina Chin. You understand? But here still you love run going and people comment. You can't say people comment and leave it alone. Anything you see what you want to talk about, take to your platform and talk about it. And stop going to people comment. And then you go on like say people are melly or people are the problem or people are that. You have a platform where you talk whatever you want to talk. So leave people with them platform to talk and put up what they want to put up just as you. You understand? You put up Marcia Gala, there's a lot of people who is not with it. But them not come in your comment section. So if somebody put up something about a cake and said big deal, which is not your cake, it's not a brand of your cake, because you can't bake a cake or design a cake, look so. It shouldn't be a problem. If there's something you want to talk about, you take it to your platform. And stop running at people comment. You come in and comment with the DP walking up like me, tell you say I want to fly a jump out from around and eat this up. Or I want to smell nothing stink. If I want to smell nothing smell any funny way, I drive, go down a town or take a bus, go down a town and go on a back part of Coronation Market. Where the old cabbage water and cabbage something them there. Where basically I so probably underneath to stay make so much flyer for you follow you. So I don't want you to jump up in my comment because you never see me in your comment yet. The first time I make mistake and I stroll through and click on your live, you nearly create a scene till you nearly have a heart attack. I don't know your blood pressure alone, I don't even know if your blood pressure go up. Because I don't know if you go check it the next morning. You love going at people comment. Stop going at people comment. Especially my one. Come in at me comment because you never see me in your comment yet. I never ever comment on one on the page yet. Whether I catch one dead or one live and me and watch it or else, me never come to kill me one comment or would I want comment. Me not comment. Me not cross the line there. Because me not consider one as nobody at all for me cross the line there for going on the comment section. What I will do, I'll take to my platform. Well, you can't block me off. You can't time out me out. You can't tell me nothing. I take to my platform. So stop going at people comment and stay up on your platform and speak where you want to speak. Simple as that. You love come out, especially you dirty me shit bacha. You don't know people from the way. No fun you know Dana from the way. But yet still, you come out and every time you come out for Dana, you don't know her from the way. Should even know her. You know Marcia, you see man say you don't know Marcia, I never meet her. On a social relax with our bucketive, yeah. Our gang of 5 friend them, yeah.
Amen.
This them one man, but every gang on a farm shall fall. The more you add to the gang, or the more you go fall, man. The whole owner just feel like you have Miss Princess brochure ticket. You understand? So, the woman is a big woman and she can't do what she ever like. She have a platform, she can't do what she ever like. And as me talk about platform, me say the dirty tea girl allegedly going around seeking people to hack people page. Allegedly, I don't know how true it is. But there's a lot of people page who have been hacked. And when you check the level of the people pages that have been hacked, is people who they would consider support a certain side. Which the certain side, we all know the certain side is for the lady from Mountain View. There's a lot of people who are getting some form of messages and links in them phone. And when them tap into it, it seems like it's the hackers. I can testify that I have get 2 messages in my phone and a certain number calling me. I got one saying, speak in WhatsApp now. Speak my mind, you're now an admin. Admin for what? Admin for your mama, whosoever you is. Are the only admin that would want be for your mama. And all are your female generation, gingeration where you have. And that's what I want to be admin for. You understand? You have a certain number, American number, call me. Me not align or affiliate to nobody America. You understand? No family or friend me them chat to on phone. Whether America, England or Canada. Them can't tell you that me not like chat to people. Because me say when you chat to people in America and call people who live overseas, most time is news them want. And if you can't give them news, them no want hear nothing from you. Sorry. And most time when you call them think of sitting here beg them. You can't call them and hear them. And them say boy yes. Them just feel like every time. So sometimes when them answer the phone, them answer it in a way like them say what you call me for now? Because them feel like you beg something. So true me know that me not bother call people in America. Foreign overall. If an emergency or a case where I have to do it, that's it. So me don't know who this constantly I call my phone 10 times or 5, 6, 7 times in a one day in less than an hour. You're not going to hear me answer that they call it. You understand? So, if you are one of the person who them a pay for hack people page, come better and try something else. Because me not answer to people when me really not know. And me have to do a due diligence before me even answer you. Not even message me to one in a WhatsApp. Or when it now have nothing to do with hacking. So don't try that. Don't stop calling my phone and I send not link or nothing to my phone. But speak my mind, you are now an admin. Me dey ask to be an admin. When you see me have admin on my page, me dey even know if I admin my own page. So me don't know why me I go want admin somebody else's page. So I feel like I either to not deal with, you come good. So you think girl allegedly out there, I find and I pay people allegedly to hack people page. Your Waterloo is coming. You understand? Your Waterloo is coming. And it might come soon. Before doctor have to order the food the way you have. Here, your Waterloo is coming.
I live my auntie, Marcia, right this way. I love how you compound from the night. Girl, you wear those just even if you was a big bird from the night, you was a little bird.
Sweet, tell you, Marcia, just sit down and enjoy yourself. If one of them mouth ever slip and say something where you can't understand, and that would have one of them mouth slip and say something where you misinterpret and see your behavior how it would be. That change like Hulk.
You get your wish. That you said your wish. All the time you want to keep something like that where females can compose them.
Watch Marcia face. All them at our Marcia get wishing. Marcia no please with them and chat on the phone. Look on her face. She no feel pleased. Because here why Marcia no feel pleased now. All them at our Marcia get wish. Marcia no get no wish. Because all culprit and slime are like Uno. Marcia were expecting to be at our gala. Yo, live America, Lorraine. Me shit batcha live America. You understand? And none of the two of you turns out. Not even one of you represent. You understand? Lorraine left England, left America and go England, go spend nearly a week. And she fly home back before your gala. You want to tell me say she a boss, she a big driver and driver. If she not have plane for every place, she couldn't full up her tank. And come at your gala and represent. But them come on phone now and show you like, okay, they are with you. With you, nothing at all, man. And then you sit down with your hypocrite self, although they are playing hypocrite with you also. Because this is just a cover up. Them come now, them plan it before them come on your life. So come, we are go over Marcia, go wish her well, and make she feel good. Because remember, none of we never go, you know. And she might have think, say, boy, we is not with her. So here what? Make we call her. I want to gang up and team up. Bob up on the line. Me shit Gratcha up on the line. Lorraine up on the line. And then the old cranny mouth one where them call cartoon. You understand? We are out of chum frat. Remember in the days when time you use breeze soap. And you throw one little bit in a old pan of water and you go so 2 times. A base sod. I saw her mouth corner in her mouth sod when she attack. You understand? She come on the line afterward. So it was a gang of 5 of them. And there is 6, 7 a year to come because Tina no added yet and the rest. Because there's many more we are going to add to the list because they might try to make a allied. We're not going to work because the more you add, and the more you going to fall. The more because the weight you going to take you now, you can't manage weight. You don't know success. And success come with weight. You understand? Success don't just come easy. And you don't want success to come easy. And it not come easy.
Marcia was the truest friend that America ever had. I said it all the time. The only true friend.
You're nasty, Bobby. Hey, the man coming like one big old crutches fish girl down at town, you see, man.
You were the only one who was
Listen to the man, you know. And at them, of course, man, them own platform to come out of woman business.
Nobody could have tell her the truth. Definition of a true friend. What they always say now, if going just weapons in the mind of your friends and in the mind of your personal. You understand?
Me can't wait to see the downfall of that campaign, you know.
Keep in mind.
And God not sleep. Because God never sleep. Because any day God sleep, this world crash. Because who no see him human being or cause the world to crash. So God can't allow that until him ready. So him can't sleep. So God never sleep.
Never trouble you. I'm saying, coolest that. Coolest that. Coolest that. So we say, we get to the boss here. When you...
We are talking about Dana throw shades. Dana no come out and throw shades that nobody will not trouble her. So, if you no trouble the woman and no call the woman name was me say day in, day out. You no expect the woman to respond to you immediately. But the woman now no time. That the precious time you know there for waste and scrum like uno. Garbage like uno. You understand? That precious time you know there for waste. So you see when like she go her toilet, if you go defecate, or she feel constipated, or she get up and she drink a little tea a morning time, and yes, you know when you drink a tea a morning time and rinse off your stomach with all of them something that you eat from the day before, and the tea go down in your belly and them something there, it starts stir up all them something there, so it give you a little relief, so you want to go to the toilet. Yeah, I saw that I remember somehow, you know, when she go into the restroom to defecate, and then she might go up on her life and throw her shades, because she count, you know, sometimes even worse than the feces that is coming from her. But that's the only time Dana Marie go remember Uno. When she want to go to the bathroom to defecate. It's like Uno come up in her thoughts with things one might say about her. You understand? And she just say, go down sewage. Go down sewage. And so Uno know the sewage because Uno come out a couple days ago come say Uno and say based on the topic where she a deal with and she a throw her shades, Uno gravitate to it and take it up. So Uno fi talk because Uno a big people and she a picnic. And who Uno? And Uno put on her pot? Eh? And Uno put on her pot? And Uno pay her bills?
Me, she that time. Exactly. MC, I just took it up person. I try to be very respectful to the woman, but 99 deserve to be worked to the lowest level, you know, because that's who she is, you know. And she never tried to put a stop to all of these things where all our followers them and don't understand. To watch.
Dana have followers all over the world. All some place who may expect say should have followers. Dana have so much followers, Dana don't even know a tip of the amount of followers she have personally. So what kind of stop Dana can put to her followers them? All she can do is come up on her platform and ask them to stop do this or stop do this or don't do this or don't do this. But what she can do after that? Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Everybody are them own big people. One time when I hear she say, boy, people might leave them alone. She can't tell me what to do. And as I say, she should come out tomorrow morning and beg God to give her for even 1 minute and tell me to Rastafari clot on my ears and tell me to warn her or not. You know, you say me no want you call me name dirty boy. You know, you say and class me. Tomorrow morning she go and hear me call her name same way. Unlike Uno, when I do things on the art, Uno I do it for special gains, Uno I do it for likes. Uno I do it for just bring down people because I hate. Me I do what me I do from my heart because of the job where me see the woman do. Where so much people have more than she not doing. So much people who did have bigger platform than she and not using it to do what they're supposed to do to try and help the less fortunate. Even Uno is one of that first world country. Uno try to do it in a sense to help fool herself and put something in her pocket. But because she comes and use her transparency program and showing up, not even poison Uno eat so. If you say Dana and say poison, I want to touch Dana and taste the poison, I prefer taste the poison. But so be to God, I would have so glad when you not taste it. Me I tell you, I would have so glad.
She never tried to put a stop to it. And then there's never told me it's going from England. Buy 4 cake and Mars come out and say she will never buy 1 more. I come out and contact and say, Dana never come out and trouble you yet. I will say, look at that. Look at the hypocrite there. I say, alright, you will be one of the person who will sit on the social media who's a real deal. Real deal. Whatever you did, that never again. And I'm too.
If Marcia was the only friend and the only real friend Dana have, me no wanna hate her. Yeah man. Me no wanna hate her. Because there's no way you and somebody can be friends and you're a real friend to the person. And no matter what you and the person have, you just switch on the person. You understand? You start carry down the person, binnick. No. Me and your friend, and I say me and your real friend, whether me have you as real friend and you not me as real friend. And circumstances we have with difference and we not see eye to eye and we not talk. Me can't come bring you down. All me know, me just avoid you and know say boy, me not up on a certain level. But me not go hold in the corner, me not go sit down and sus and chat for your name and talk things when me might know about you and fabricate on top of what me know. I'm not going to do that. Me avoid it to the fullest if I saw it have to go. If times go by and we can build back friendship, we build it back. I know so we get over that bridge where we have a cross at the time. But me nah come bring you down. That a real friend. Not real friend, we are going to side with enemies. If you carry you down because me your friendship match up. That's not a real friend, man. You're a friend for what you can gain. You're a friend for what you can get. You're a friend for what me can do for you. You understand? Real friend not do that. Real friend don't do that. Real friend stands out and weather the storm no matter the difference whatever the individual have. That you call a real friend. All 5-10 years me you not talk and you never yet hear me go out there so or hear say me say this about you when me know. Or when you are think say boy Jesus please now Lord she a go talk everything when she know him a go say you never hear that all 5-10 years. That a real friend. Not Marcia. We come out and chat all kind of evil things. Fabricate story of the woman who and how much things else she not pay for and she pay for with her liar self. And we tired to see it in a phone. Then I go out and people want to pay for all things. We carry her out. And she said she will pay. Then I never go nowhere yet and not give nobody no tip. And you say nothing with the people them then a tip. And you have to tip them with your liar self. And you them a come talk about friend. Them only hype you up because them want to make for themselves look good because them never represent your gala. And if you don't see that in your naked eyes, you're going to get blindfold and lead into a brick wall. Because that is what them are trying to do you know. Because remember, you know, you're not a genuine friend to them congregation, you know. Them just a rope you in. Yeah, them just a all you in. See ya? Like come with a all in the feed upon you for 2 feed knife for the fall. Yeah. I saw them a rope you in. Because what? You're against the person who they call their enemies. The person who they are hating on. So they are going to use you. You understand? To build them emperor. But they have been trying it over and over more than one time, and each time them try to build, somewhere along the line there's a block that not been cemented. Them same one will on it and it tumble over. So prepare for it. Worse, you, Marcia, cannot be tamed. So if them feel like them can't tame you, remember, you know, your upstairs not so good in one way than the other. More than one way, your upstairs not good. So the simplest thing them say will trigger you. And once it trigger you, it going to trigger them. Because a one trigger control the whole on, you know. So once you go so boom and pull the trigger. By misinterpret something what them say. Remember, one trigger takes on out all. Remember that.
Exactly. Big up yourself, Bobby.
Not Bobby, Bobby sure.
Thank you very much.
Add this E shirt to him name. Big old E she boy your name Bob. Bobby sure. Man can't have wife and pitney man when you post up all on your page. And find some more time for social media. Yo.
But she's going to learn. She's going to learn. And she's learning already.
You think I'm afraid?
Yeah, man, I'm smarting in.
Oh, back up and just shit out.
Marcia never bless what you want to say.
Right. Out about it. How are you?
Yeah.
You motherfucker. The bad word them for the newcomers them coming over all the fire. But when you get to know me,
You can't avoid that, Marcia. That's how you break yourself. Not break yourself when you break yourself.
And then I go back to church. That's what I have to read the Bible. Psalms 51.
You couldn't hold out even a week after the gala where you just go normal, analyze the gala, respond to the negative reviews where you get in a decent manner. You couldn't hold out. You have to get into the action. I just cut out
Created me a clean
people,
heart.
some ratted bad women, you know who come on our page that type up.
Fuck you, I'm Miss Princess. You understand me? Whatever name Jackie. You but turn Miss Princess upside down and go screw down and go screw down the 40 crack she have. When she call me Big Bird. She need a good shaving. Go turn her upside down and give her a good shaving. And then they look like a blood clot forest. So go put her upside down and give her a blood
I cut it out with people because sometimes me just can't take fair behavior. And she will never change. Never ever change. She not change.
Put your head under that blood clot and go suck that rocks. And don't come over here to me. You understand? And that's what you do. But name your blood clot cock with him and Miss Princess. And that's what you do.
When will she change? She need help. If you're a growing woman, she need help.
I'm going to behave myself.
You can't behave yourself.
Paying on a body. Both Ghana. Me live in America. She live in Canada. What Canada have to do with this? Anybody that travel to Canada want to look at riffraff people and we go there? My people them come from England and all over the world. Anybody go there? But I too look at hypocrite bloggers them we follow back now. Anybody go there? We are worried about. My crowd is not.
So, the same set of people that made upon your life a while ago say people are show shades. And 99 show shades and then them come say 99 and do nothing. Because 99 a mad woman, you know. Yeah man. She just go to bed and get up and she just start cuss everybody. Just start cuss John, Harry, Tom, Dick, Susie, Patsy for nothing at all. Because she not have a life to live. So she can sit down and think about people, careless people, to get up and cuss them. But me want to know what you do now. if I no shades here show, whosoever you up on your platform who type in your comment section, you not deal with them? Or deal with even the person name with them call Miss Princess? How AD name get involved now with your shade where you show? Because your shade you show, you know. Who want go Canada? More than a little idiot, very crosses people them. And the people them, the little fool black of them will follow her. We know exactly who you talk. We know exactly. Me them not going on them, because who in the social media thing, know Sir AD and know the few other vloggers who follow AD. We not going to draw nobody else's name in it. We all know. So we know who you exactly you talk. So I know shades you show. For your ally them tell you say boy stop show shades. You don't want people to not do things that you don't want to do.
It's not look how you get a woman crowd. Eh? Anybody ever come from England go off here and place it? Eh? If people them come from travel from Canada come a mine and them they go see you a fear one. Go sit yourself down.
Oh, you know nobody don't travel from England go Miss Princess place. Oh, you know that. You know where everybody come from? Where they there? You know the people them where they there? No. But you have to just say things and do things to suit on yourself, to make on yourself look big. You understand? And me hear you say, as you say, man come from Africa. The man no fly from no Africa come to Yagala. The man birth land in Africa but him live in America. And I doubt if nobody even come from Canada. Which is easy if somebody come from Canada still. But I doubt nobody even come from Canada. If somebody come from Canada, then they done the America upon vacation, or them live in Canada, or them birth in Canada but them come to America and come live. Nobody no definitely take up no plane ticket, fly from Africa to come here gala. But because the man in an African suit and dress African, you want to paint that picture that like say, here's this big deal, you have people fly from way Africa to come to your party. Move! You can't fool nobody, man.
I don't care where me live from, where me don't live, because suck your blood. Me know spot me live. And you live in a shit house. You don't live nowhere. You live in a pit.
Make it clear, Anna Misha talk.
And every time
somebody in our comment section.
You don't live one blood clot way. You don't even have good bed to sleep. And that dry blood clot touch you sleep. And you don't sleep now, you don't live nowhere. Use that dirty drunk bro. You just a suck pussy boy and a suck pussy girl. Away from yourself and back away from yourself. You're nobody. You're trash. You're blood clot up. You come up here over pussy clot picture. You're nobody. A cemetery you come from. Take your blood clot and come and prime. Remember, say that's something I you know. Remember. Remember. That's what I come and try me. Come try me. Come try me. Come, take your dirty rolls, sucker.
I want to listen. This sound like a shade she go show you, so listen.
Come. I bet you a blood clot. Try that blood clot. Come. Remember, say me just put a Bellevue there, you know. Remember, I just get out of Bellevue there today. I was in it for 10 years. 10 years, them just released me. They said they want me back. So I can do anything I want to do. Don't know. Because I am registered, certified, and clarified, and dignified. Man. Yes, my dear.
People, that 10 years something that sound familiar. Why she couldn't say 5 year or 20 year? Why she have to say 10 years? She just go to Bellevue. Like, she try to remind us about our friend that spent 10 years in the BIV. Our friend that has been carrying substance for some 10 years more before what she spent in the BVI prison and don't have nothing in her life. How can I be risking my freedom, my health, and my life to be carrying substance? Not just from an avenue to an avenue or a road to a road, which part I live. From a country to a next country. And after get through so many times, because as I tell you, that wasn't the first time. A sweet time make sure I go back. And you don't have nothing in a life, you end up a struggle so in a life that you have to find so much time for people in a social media girl. And then I'll come tell me about my mother. Look on the big old building behind me, watch it. 2-story around there, so. 2-story if you go up, the next second story if you go up here, so. You understand? That's a shoplifting money from England, girl. Where is your substance money from the BVI to the Cayman Island to the this island to the that the island where they are transport and carry around? Where is the money? I don't know this fabricate story, but me there phone now. Marcia, you a big deal. Gang of 5 deal. Big deal. But people, when you walk across road, watch out for vehicle. When you walk road, watch out for people. When you go see you, watch out for shark too. Be careful of the things that you do. Be careful. Remember the assassin, the people. Go look for the assassin and listen to it. Be careful with name. Just go type it in a Google or YouTube. Assassin, Agent Sasko. Be careful and listen to that song there. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again. Happy Friday evening. I come to the end of this video. As me sign, I'm a fall, put me there in my people. See the door, yeah? Yeah, kind of fall. We're not raising fall you know because they eat. Yeah. Eat not good for raising fall, you know. Unless you have them in an AC. And AC is too expensive to pay for. We use fan to cool them down. But if you can do without raise them at this time, at the year versus the climate we're in and now with that sun, yeah, heat wave we have over the world, it's best you don't run no risk with your money. You understand? Because when you have the business, you have to think wise. You can't think crazy. And then when your money go down the drain, you ball and blame people and turn pest to others. You understand? When you did know better and you choose to take the chance and you lose. You take the chance and you lose. Just all you lose, man. Don't come going like somebody make you lose. You understand? Yeah. So, as I say, just do the do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And people, please remember to go over to the backup channel and give me a subscription over there. Take me to that 1,000. You understand? For the independent month. Give me that for me independent. Remember, me not beg no cash up, no wash up, and no dash up, no Zelle, no Pell, me not have, you know. You understand? So, just give me that little subscription there over there. My supporters, go over there, go support who not subscribe yet. You understand? Life is a Mission TV, family oriented channel. Link in the description and it pin in the comment section. You understand? I'm showing you some fruit for my yard, fruitful. I'm showing you mango. Watch you now. Look, my people, watch it. Sour sap on tree. Look, see them? Yeah. See them there? Can't bother walk around for going a close up view. Yeah. Sour sap that pan tree, people. See? Red fruit. See why they are so full of mango? Alright, everything I done here now. The last site this. Fruitful place. And if your heart not clean, you can't live in a fruitful place. You understand? Yeah. So speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.